top 3 on the train. Really looking sandwiches. Chocolate flavour. This jelly sweet.
No. Are we here?
No,
Wrong floor. Go back on. Go back
Welcome to Xi'An.
Kevin, can you please explain to us what we are observing right now?
Well, when you get old, you've got two choices in life, right? You either do this, or you can do that.
First stop, the Muslim Quarter. It was time to head back to our accommodation, but I was wondering if Kevin even knew where we were staying.
Scene of Copacabana. Oh no, sorry. This Hotel California.
I'm here too. Here we are in Xi'an, and we're taking a tuk-tuk home after an evening out at the
My life is flashing before my eyes.
Mommy and Daddy are in the back.
We are at the wall, south of the wall, where the living exists.
We are at the south gate of the Xi'An Wall, which was built to protect the city, and according to Daddy's taxi driver, is the only wall in China that has been completely preserved in its original form around the city. And now we're going to a famous landmark known as the toilet.
How was the bike ride, May?
It was really fun. Daddy's really good on the tandem bike.
How did you find it, Mummy?
It's good.
Oh, she's got a sore bum now. It's lunchtime. We are here in which street, May?
Xi'An Street.
What a lovely accent. Here, it's where you can buy lots of snacks.
Look, they're making donuts.
So let's see what we can find. What are you guys buying?
I don't know. It looks like something I know.
idea. Potatoes, but they're not potatoes.
So after doing the taste test, we have discovered it's just a giant fat noodle.
I really like this.
May has got her our favourite dumpling. We've gone for fried meat dumplings.
辣椒，不要辣。
We don't want the spicy stuff, but we want the vinegar. We're very happy with our dumplings. Mummy is ordering her favourite pizza. He's a big fan of this street pie.
I like food that is easy to eat. You just pick it up with one hand and then you bite it and then you're done.
Lovely to eat with
I
rice.
have not tried one yet.
Hot, okay?
Okay.
Slow.
And I got one of these.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for chapter 4 where we go to Shanghai.